Are you looking for an easy-to-use and convenient treatment option for type 2 diabetes? If so, you'll want to learn more about two popular medications, Trulicity and Ozempic. In this video, we will explore the Trulicity advantage by diving into how it works, its recommended dosage, and how it compares to Ozempic. How does Trulicity work? Trulicity is a GLP-1 receptor agonist that works by mimicking the action of the hormone GLP-1 in the body. GLP-1, or glucagon-like peptide 1, is a hormone that is released by the intestines in response to food intake. It helps regulate blood sugar levels by stimulating insulin secretion and slowing down the digestion process. When Trulicity is injected, it binds to the GLP-1 receptors in the body, activating them and triggering a series of responses that help improve glycemic control. Firstly, it stimulates the release of insulin from the pancreas, which helps to lower blood sugar levels. Secondly, it inhibits the release of glucagon, a hormone that raises blood sugar levels. Lastly, it slows down the emptying of the stomach, which helps to reduce post-meal spikes in blood sugar. Trulicity has the advantage of being a once-weekly injection, which can make it more convenient for patients compared to other diabetes medications that require daily or multiple daily doses. The extended-release formulation of Trulicity allows for a slow and steady release of the medication over the course of the week, providing continuous blood sugar control. How does Ozempic work? Ozempic, like Trulicity, is also a GLP-1 receptor agonist that works by mimicking the action of GLP-1 in the body. It activates the GLP-1 receptors and helps regulate blood sugar levels by stimulating insulin secretion and reducing the release of glucagon. Ozempic is available in a once-weekly or once every 2 weeks dosing regimen, depending on the individual's needs in response to the medication. The longer dosing interval can be beneficial for patients who prefer less frequent injections. Similar to Trulicity, Ozempic has an extended-release formulation that ensures a sustained effect throughout the dosing period. In addition to its blood sugar-lowering effects, Ozempic has also been shown to promote weight loss. This can be especially beneficial for patients with type 2 diabetes who may also struggle with obesity. The weight loss associated with Ozempic is thought to be due to a combination of factors, including reduced appetite and a slowing down of gastric emptying. Dosage and administration of Trulicity. Trulicity is typically administered once a week as a subcutaneous injection. The recommended starting dose is 0.75 milligrams, which can be increased to 1.5 milligrams if additional blood sugar control is needed. The injections should be given on the same day each week, at any time of the day, with or without food. To administer Trulicity, the pre-filled pen should be removed from the refrigerator and allowed to reach room temperature for about 30 minutes. The injection site should be cleaned with an alcohol swab, and the pen should be used to inject the medication into the fatty tissue of the abdomen, thigh, or upper arm. The injection site should be rotated with each dose to reduce the risk of injection site reactions. Dosage and administration of Ozempic. Ozempic is available in two different dosages, 0.5 milligrams and 1 milligram. The starting dose is usually 0.25 milligrams for the first 4 weeks, followed by an increase to the maintenance dose of either 0.5 milligrams or 1 milligram, depending on the individual's needs. The injections can be given once a week or once every 2 weeks, as determined by the healthcare provider. Similar to Trulicity, Ozempic should be administered as a subcutaneous injection. The pre-filled pen should be removed from the refrigerator and allowed to reach room temperature for about 30 minutes. The injection site should be cleaned with an alcohol swab, and the pen should be used to inject the medication into the fatty tissue of the abdomen, thigh, or upper arm. As with Trulicity, the injection site should be rotated for each dose. Comparing the efficacy of Trulicity and Ozempic. Both Trulicity and Ozempic have been shown to be effective in reducing blood sugar levels in patients with type 2 diabetes. In clinical trials, Trulicity has been shown to lower glycated hemoglobin, HbA1c, levels by an average of 1.5%, while Ozempic has demonstrated a reduction of 1.5% as well. These reductions in HbA1c levels are considered clinically significant and indicate improved blood sugar control. In terms of weight loss, both Trulicity and Ozempic have shown promising results. Trulicity has been associated with an average weight loss of 2–3% in clinical trials, while Ozempic has been shown to result in weight loss of 4–5%. The weight loss effects of these medications can be attributed to their ability to reduce appetite and slow down gastric emptying, leading to a decreased calorie intake and improved satiety. Side effects and safety profile of Trulicity. Trulicity, like any medication, can have side effects. The most common side effects reported with Trulicity include nausea, diarrhea, and stomach pain. These side effects are usually mild and transient, and they tend to improve over time as the body adjusts to the medication. In rare cases, Trulicity can cause more serious side effects such as pancreatitis or thyroid tumors. However, these side effects are extremely rare and occur in less than 1% of patients. Trulicity is generally considered safe for use in most patients with type 2 diabetes. However, it is important to discuss any pre-existing medical conditions or medications with your healthcare provider before starting Trulicity, as certain conditions or medications may interact with the medication or increase the risk of side effects. Side effects and safety profile of Ozempic. Ozempic, like Trulicity, can cause side effects. The most common side effects reported with Ozempic include nausea, diarrhea, and constipation. These side effects are usually mild and transient, and they tend to improve over time. In rare cases, Ozempic can also cause more serious side effects such as pancreatitis or thyroid tumors. However, these side effects are extremely rare and occur in less than 1% of patients. Ozempic is generally well tolerated and safe for use in most patients with type 2 diabetes. As with Trulicity, it is important to discuss any pre-existing medical conditions or medications with your healthcare provider before starting Ozempic, as certain conditions or medications may interact with the medication or increase the risk of side effects. Choosing between Trulicity and Ozempic, factors to consider. When deciding between Trulicity and Ozempic, there are several factors to consider. Firstly, the dosing schedule may play a role in your decision. Trulicity is administered once a week, while Ozempic can be given once a week or once every 2 weeks. If you prefer less frequent injections, Ozempic may be the better choice for you. Secondly, the side effect profile may vary between individuals. Some people may experience more gastrointestinal side effects with Trulicity, while others may have a better tolerance for Ozempic. It is important to discuss your medical history and any potential contraindications with your healthcare provider to determine which medication may be more suitable for you. Lastly, cost may also be a consideration. The prices of Trulicity and Ozempic can vary depending on insurance coverage and pharmacy discounts. It is advisable to check with your insurance provider or pharmacist to compare the cost of these medications and determine which one is more affordable for you. Conclusion: making an informed decision. In conclusion, both Trulicity and Ozempic are effective medications for the treatment of type 2 diabetes. They work by mimicking the action of GLP-1 in the body, helping to regulate blood sugar levels and promote weight loss. Trulicity is administered once a week, while Ozempic can be given once a week or once every 2 weeks. When choosing between Trulicity and Ozempic, it is important to consider factors such as dosing schedule, side effects, and cost. Discussing your medical history and preferences with your healthcare provider can help you make an informed decision about which medication is right for you. Remember, every individual is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. It is essential to work closely with your healthcare provider to find the best treatment option that suits your specific needs and goals. With the Trulicity advantage and the availability of Ozempic, you have 2 effective options to help manage your type 2 diabetes and improve your overall health and well-being. Thanks for watching.